Have you ever felt stuck trying to improve your Ielts score? It's frustrating, right? You study hard but don't see results. Today, we'll explore 4 powerful criteria that can significantly boost your Ielts writing score. The Ielts exam assesses your English language abilities. Writing is one of the sections where many students struggle. Let's dive into the 4 essential criteria that Ielts examiners use: task achievement, coherence, and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. First, let's discuss task achievement. This involves directly addressing the prompt. Make sure your response answers all parts of the question. An example would be comparing 2 charts clearly, without skipping any details. Next is coherence and cohesion. This means organizing your ideas logically. Use linking words to connect your thoughts. For instance, firstly, moreover, and in conclusion help your essay flow smoothly. Now, let's talk about lexical resource. This is about using a wide range of vocabulary correctly. Instead of constantly using good or bad, try beneficial or detrimental. This shows depth in your language skills. Lastly, we have grammatical range and accuracy. This refers to your ability to use various sentence structures correctly. Mix simple and complex sentences for a more dynamic writing style. Let's recap. Focus on task achievement to ensure you meet the prompt's requirements. Enhance coherence and cohesion to create a logical flow of ideas. Use diverse vocabulary to demonstrate your lexical resource, and vary your sentence structures for grammatical range and accuracy. By mastering these 4 criteria, you can significantly improve your Ielts writing score. If you're looking for more tailored guidance, join our Transform Academy course. Click the link in the description box below. Lastly, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.